Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to check Discord user last online. Well, knowing if a user is currently online allows you to engage in real-time communication with them. If you need to have a quick conversation or discuss something with a specific user, knowing their online status helps you determine if they are available for immediate interaction. Discord is often used for teamwork and collaboration, especially in gaming or project-related communities. Checking if a user is online can help you coordinate activities, plan sessions, or discuss tasks with them in real time. It ensures that all team members are present and actively participating. So, to know or to check Discord user last online, here's what you're going to do. Download Discord on your mobile application. Then, tap Discord application and log in to your account. Now in here, go to the groups here and then tap the people icon at the upper right corner. Then you can see now who's online on Discord. If you have a direct conversation or chat history with the user, you can check their status within the specific chat. If their status is shown as online, it means that they are currently active and online. But keep in mind that this method only applies to a specific conversation you're checking. So that's how to check Discord user last online. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!